This is our LS camshaft installation handle that is designed in-house. You can also see our new LT motor adapter for use with LT single bolt cams as well. Just thread the supplied bolt through and attach the adapter to use it. Just line the pin up with the divot on the handle, thread your cam gear bolt in, and slowly push. This tool makes installing your aftermarket or stock cam much easier, stable, and consistent. Once the cam is all the way in, remove the cam gear bolt and you're all done. These are for sale on our website at rmknox.com under the RM Motorworks parts page. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to get one ordered today.